This is the practice question we want to attempt. Find the inverse of A, B, and C. As you can see, kuti A, B, and C, we have 2 by 2 square matrices because that is our limit when it comes to our syllabus. Tinongoita the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix or matrix. Before we get into this question, may you please subscribe, follow, like, share, and comment. Saka question yedu tichai attack sei. Attack A. So madzidzisiro andinoda kuita, for the sake of simplicity, tinofanirwa kutanga tagona kutsvaga the determinant. Tagona kutsvaga the determinant, then tozongonyora the inverse of a particular matrix. Saka the matrix we have panapa, it's 3, 4 minus 2, 1. So we have to find the determinant. Saka tinogona kuya panapa toti consider the determinant. Ndo yatoda kutanga tawana. Saka the determinant panapa, it's going to be what? What I say semicolon. Kuti tiwane determinant in a methodical way, tinofanirwa kuti let this matrix 3, 4 minus 2, 1 be A, B, C, D, like that. Saka taita kuti matrix iyo 3 minus 2, 4, 1 iwe A, B, C, D. Tadaro, tinobva taita sei? Tinobva tati determinant iri equal to chi? Determinant is equal to AD minus CB. Saka in this particular order, AD minus CB, that is the determinant. So tauna determinant AD minus CB. Panapa tati let this matrix be A, B, C, D. Tinobva tangoya panapa toda iso. A yari panapa. Saka A anenge arava chi? A anenge ari 3. So it's 3 multiplying. Then D wedu arapa. Uyu D apa. 3 multiplying 1 minus C nde uyu kureva kuti C anenge ari 4. 4 multiplying B nde uyu kureva kuti B anenge ari chi? Minus 2. Taking note kuti you have to write B sezva ari minus 2. So tadai so kuti let this matrix be A, B, C, D, kwanga kuri kuitira kuti tishandise the formula yatinoziva kuti determinant iri equal to AD subtracting CB. Then also replace AD, C na B in this formula kuti tiwane the determinant. So we just come here and solve this. So this is equal to 3 times 1 then the 3, then minus 4 times minus 2, the plus 8. Saka 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is going to be the determinant. So taona kuti 11 ndiye determinant wedu. Tinenge takungoti, therefore, the inverse now is equal to 1 over determinant, which is 11. Tobataisa matrix brackets edu. Toenda ku original matrix, which is 3 minus 2, 4, 1. Then tati tinoita sei ku original matrix. Ku original matrix, tati tinoita interchange 3 na 1. Kureva kuti 1 anenge apanapa, 3 ava up. Tinozvichinjanisa mapositions. Then tikati 4 na minus 2 tinozvirega zvakadaro, but we negate. Tinochinja arithmetic sign. Kureva kuti 4 uyu anenge ava chi? Minus 4. And minus 2 uyu anenge ava chi? Anenge ava 2. Kana tadai so, we can underline this is the inverse of that particular matrix. Saka tawana our answer sezvataita, we can prove whether our answer is correct or not The way of doing so, tinenge ini ndakukupai as a task because you are not required by the examination to do that. Mukamultiply the original matrix yatanga tiinayo, which is 3 apo 1 apo 4 panapa minus 2, mukaimultiply ne its inverse, which is 1 over 11 apo it's 1 2 minus 4 3, munofanirwa kuwana 1 0 1 0, which is the identity. So that is your task. You can, kana muine time uye kana muchinakirwa nemethods, munogona kuzama kuisolva iyo kuti muone kuti sure here inobuditsa 1001. But because it's not part and parcel of what is required pa question yedu, I leave it to you as a task. Let us go on to the other parts of our question. So let us now do B. B iri kuda kuti titsvage the inverse of 2538. Saka tinotanga sei? Tinoti consider determinant. Ndo yatoda kutanga tawana. Saka determinant kuti tiwane, tinenge tatotanga tati let 2538 be A, B, C, D. By the way, the inverse mogona kutongoikota kuri kuti mazvijaira uye kuti makuzvigona. You can easily quote it kuti apa determinant inenge iri chakati, kureva kuti the inverse inenge iri chakati. But follow this modus operandi, follow this method, especially kana tichiri pa learning curve, kuitira kuti musaita unnecessary mistakes. So taita leta 2538 B, A, B, C, D. Tinobva tauya panapa toti determinant. We know kuti determinant takatarisa A, B, C, D inenge iri equal to AD minus CB, like that. So takuda kuchita infer manje, we can see kuti A anenge ari 2, D anenge ari 8, subtract C anenge ari 3 and B anenge ari 5. Saka kana takusolva this further, 2 times 8 into 16, subtracting 3 times 5 is 15. Then tada iso manje, this is going to be equal to what? This is equal to 16 minus 15 d 1. So 1 is our determinant. Tabva ipapa tichabva tazoti, therefore the inverse now is going to be equal to 1 over the determinant, which is 1 panapa. Then we take our original matrix, which is 2538. So vataichinja, tinoita interchange position ya 2 na 8, kurati 8 apo 2 apo. Then we negate 3 na 5, kurati panapa it's minus 3, apo it's minus 5. That is going to be our answer. You can pick up your task again apo. You can prove by multiplying 2538 by this inverse, which is 1 over 1, 8 minus 5 minus 3, 2. By the way, inverse kana yabuda seizo, you can as well write it panapa as, instead of good 1 over 1, which of course is 1, inverse yedu tokonangoinyora takangoisa that matrix 8 minus 5 minus 3, 2, like that. Now let us look at C. C is going to be special. You're going to see. Saka C yedu yakamira sei. Toda weka C, matrix yatiinayo ndi 6 3 2 1, like that. Saka kuti tiwane the inverse, we first off consider the determinant. Saka pakuconsider determinant apo tinotanga tati let 6231 B A B C D. then we know that the determinant is equal to A times D subtracting C times B. Then tadai so much. This is equal to A Indian, A indi 6 multiplying D Indian, D indi 1 subtracting C Indian, C indi 2 multiplying ko B Indian, B indi 3. For what panapa we now have 6 times 1 which is 6 subtracting 2 times 3 which is also 6. Saka our determinant is going to be 0. Saka since our determinant is 0, that particular matrix does not have an inverse. And why are we saying does not have an inverse? For example, kuri kuti tazoti therefore inverse is equal to 1 over determinant this 0. Then up of course we make our twitch up and over 1 up over 6 up minus 2 up minus 3. I want to believe that by now you know kuti hatikwanise kuti 1 over 0 chero tikazviisa mucalculator yedu zvinobuditsa sometimes inonyora kuti error 2, but in particular this will be infinity, not applicable like that. We cannot have 1 over 0. 0 can never be a divisor. So because mathematics breaks when we make 0 the divisor, zvinoreva kuti a matrix which have a determinant of 0 has no inverse. Saka kuti tiite kudza mwana wopedzisira, panapa tiri kuti a matrix with 0 as determinant has no inverse. And mamatrix erudzi uru ane a special term. They are called singular matrices. They are called singular matrices.